So yeah, as stingrays are named, stingrays have stings, and it's just lying on top of their tail. So stingrays will only use their stings if they're extremely threatened. This is because it's their only line of defense. They only have their sting and nothing else. So for humans, it can be lethal. This is because it contains a cardiotoxin and a neurotoxin. So if you guys ever come close to a stingray, they might come close to you, but it's quite rare that they will actually use the sting on you, unless you're trying to provoke them. So for example, Steve Irwin, he's a famous Australian celebrity. I'm not sure if you guys know him, but a lot of people think that he passed away from a stingray sting, but he actually passed away from blood loss. So it's a big misconception that a lot of people have about stingrays, that they are very dangerous and deadly.